Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get iron in Astroneer. This is going to be useful for crafting things like the atmospheric condenser, from which you can gather some gaseous resources. So to begin, first of all you'll need to find hematite, from which you can make the iron from. Hematite can be found on two planets only, and the first one is Novus, where you can find it inside of caves. And the second one and better option is to find it on Glacio, where you can find it on surface. The hematite is going to look like these red and blackish crystals, kind of spikes, and you can just pick out your mining tool and go ahead and just mine it from the surface, like this. And when you hear the ping sound, this means that you've collected one hematite into your backpack. And as you can see on Glacio, you can find it almost anywhere, and as you can see, it is just a big kind of cluster of hematite, so you'll have plenty of them on the Glacio planet. Now that you've collected some hematite, we can go ahead and go to a smelting furnace, in which you want to place the hematite onto these one of these four slots, and as you can see, it is going to make some iron from it. So this is pretty much all. How to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.